Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're stuck on the Control-Alt-Delete screen. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing, just select the cancel button right here, and that should hopefully resolve it. If you're still having an issue with it, you can also just select the power icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and go ahead and restart your system. And hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.